In this task, we are deciding if each statement is positive or negative. So we're looking for keywords, and we also might need to read in a little bit more detail just to confirm that our answers are correct. So starting with A, we can see the phrase conectar fácilmente. So you can easily connect with others. That's a positive. We're going to write P. In B, we can see two adjectives here. Útiles, informativas. So it's referring to apps and it's saying that they are useful and informative. Two positive adjectives, so the answer is positive. In C, we have the phrase malas intenciones and we have the verb robar. So bad intentions and rob. So we can see that this is probably going to be negative. If we have a quick look at the sentence overall, we can see that it refers to people with bad intentions who want to rob information and money via social media. So that's a negative sentence. Question D, we have the word útiles, positive. They are useful. You can share information, you can see what's happening in your local area. In E, we have the word facilitar, which means to facilitate or to encourage. Now we might be thinking now, well, that's a good thing. It can encourage lots of positive things. However, we need to be careful because it's followed by the word cyberacoso, which actually means cyberbullying. So it means that social media encourages cyberbullying. So that sentence is negative. So we just need to be careful and not necessarily decide straight away. Just make sure that we read all the detail. Now in sentence F, it says technology and social media are. And we only have one word here, which can tell us if this is a positive or negative sentence. So if we know what the word adictiva means, we'll know that it's negative because the word means addictive. So it's really important that we know lots of vocabulary because if we didn't know what that word meant, we're just guessing. So we do need to know because especially in questions like this, it might just depend on one word. The last phrase here, ganar nuevos clientes, gain or win new clients. So it's talking about small businesses can gain new clients. So that's a positive aspect of social media. In our last question, we have some cognates and near cognates here. So we have contactual virtual contact. So again, we might be thinking here, well, that's a good thing because you can stay in contact virtually, perhaps with people who you wouldn't necessarily connect with in real life, la vida real. However, it says that you can perder la confianza. You can lose confidence in your real life relationships. So even though it mentions something which we might at first glance think is positive, actually the sentence as a whole refers to a negative point of social media.